In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Skype name on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you are currently using. Once you did that, you will need to, hit the enter button, go to the first link and start the download. Once you did that, and of course, this download steps will be pretty simple and easy because you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. So it will be the same steps with the Skype application. And once you did once you did this option, which is downloading, just install it and open it up. When it's open, they will ask you to log in into your account. And of course, if you have an account, log in into it, but if you don't, you'll need to go and create one. And once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or with this main screen. You'll find this welcome sentence with your name or username here as well. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to change our Skype name on the Skype application. So as you can see, that is my name at the moment on the Skype application. So I would like to change it. So of course, if you want to do that, just go to the top left corner profile picture and click on that. Once I am here, I would like to scroll down and go to this manage section and make sure to click on this Skype profile option. Once I click on it, of course, I'll have my name here. So simply, if I click on it, as you can see, I'll be able to change it to whatever I want. So let's say as an example, I would like to make it like maybe this sir. All I need to do now is just hit this check button, go out, and as you can see, my name is changed. My name changed here as well. Of course, we can do the same if we want to change it. So let me just get us back to what it was. And here we go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.